Hi everybody, welcome back. I'm Disha and I'm here to help you transform your house into a home. So we have unboxed and explored some of the coolest stuff in our product review series in the past, and today I've got something super exciting for you. An unboxing experience of the latest and greatest ceiling fan in town. I promise you this one is a game changer, especially when it comes to the aesthetics, and we talk a lot about aesthetics here. So without further ado, let's dive right into it and see what makes this fan so special. All right, folks, here it is. Feast your eyes upon this modern fan with its sleek design and this beautiful Choco gold wood finish. This fan gets all the attention. I mean, it's like opening a treasure chest, but instead of finding gold, we have got the future of cooling inside. These blades are like a work of art. The wooden finish definitely gives it such a modern and classy look. I can already imagine the compliments I'm going to get from my guests. The wooden finish on this fan is just so Pinterest worthy. Now, aside from the aesthetics, let's see how it cools the room. Can you feel all that cooling? It's not just a fan, it's a functional art piece. And it's not just about the cooling, it's also about making a statement. What makes this fan stand out, you ask? Well, let me break it down for you. It has got some jaw-dropping features that will make you fall in love with this fan instantly. Let me tell you about the best part first. This fan literally saves up to 53% on energy bills. That's true. This combination of design and savings is just perfect. Let me show you the other amazing features now. First of all, we have this incredible high-speed motor spinning at a whooping 370 RPM, one of the best in its segment. This means you'll experience a breeze like never before. This beauty can transport you to the beaches of Hawaii with its breeze. And guess what? No need to get up from your comfy spot because we've got a remote control for your convenience. Adjust the speed, set the timer, and even switch between modes with just a click. It also has a reverse flow mode. Now that we have got your curiosity spiked, let's talk about the reverse flow mode. It's the perfect mode for the winter season. This mode makes the fan rotate in the opposite direction, ensuring that heated air from your room circulates evenly. So now that your fan also works as a heater, say goodbye to the chilly spots. This fan is not just about the looks, it's built to last. With a robust PCB module backed up by VGuard's 46 years of legacy in electronics, you can trust that this fan will be your reliable companion for years to come. And check this out. Having consistent performance over wide voltage range from 60 to 310 volts, this fan is ready to tackle anything. And what's more, you forgot to turn off the fan before leaving? No worries, we have got multiple timer options too. Set it to automatically turn off at 2 hours, 4 hours, or 8 hours, and it can do that. Are you someone who hates dusting? Well, this fan has got you covered with its dust repellent coating. Say goodbye to the hassle of cleaning your fan all the time. Now let's have some fun. Customize your airflow with 5 different modes. Boost mode for that extra kick, breeze mode for a gentle flow, sleep mode for a peaceful night, and standard mode for your everyday needs, and a custom mode just for you. And the cherry on the top, you ask? With a 5-year warranty, you can have peace of mind. That's right, we've got your back. Alright folks, so that's a wrap on our ceiling fan unboxing adventure. The ultimate ceiling fan with all the bells and whistles. That's all for today, and I'll see you soon in my next video. Till then, watch either this video or this. Bye-bye. Wish you all love, luck and sunshine.